Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we are going to test this mic. So I just got this mic from Amazon. Let me pull the listing here. So this is PseudoTac Professional USB mic, and it comes with this articulating stand, and they give you the whole kit. And I really like, when companies give everything. So like one-stop solution. So you get this thing to reduce the popping sound, and you also get, you actually get a pop filter here. So you get this is the pop filter which you can attach. So you can attach it to the stand, and that way it will block the puff of air coming from your mouth, and so that takes care of all the the sa and the pa and all those sounds. So I'm not using that right now, but you definitely have the option. And obviously the mic is there, it's a shock absorbing mount here, so everything is looking good. So as of now, the audio that you are hearing, it's coming from the mic directly, and I have not done anything with the audio other than the dynamic range compression, but that's it. No other editing. I have not played with the graphic equalizer or anything like that. So what I will do is I will just read the specification of the mic, and that will be an audio test for you guys, so you guys can hear the audio and decide for yourself if it is good. I think this is a good solution for YouTubers, and also for like if you are into streaming, like if you stream games and live stream, and if you do that kind of stuff, I think this is great because this just connects to your PC directly using a USB. My PC is here, that's why I'm pointing here all the time. So there is a USB cable going to the PC, and I'm using Audacity, which is a free software to record audio, and that's it. You get the audio, and you can sync it with your video in the post. So let me just read the specification here. So it says, first of all, the price. So it's $68.99, so under $70, and for that you are getting the mic, you are getting all the accessories, the pop filter and this dead cat thing. You're getting a fully articulating boom stand, everything for $68.99. So let's see, what does it say. So it says this is a 192 kilohertz 24-bit studio cardioid condenser mic kit. So cardioid basically means it's picking the audio from one direction, and the way you figure that out, the mic is actually, there are no markers or any buttons, nothing. You just have PseudoTac written, and where the PseudoTac label you see, that's from where you should speak. So if I speak from this side, it should in theory reject all the audio from that side. So it's a cardioid condenser mic, and you get the boom arm, shock mount, pop filter for Skype, YouTube, karaoke, gaming recording. So let's see. Excellent sound quality. The microphone gives you up to 24-bit 192 kilohertz bit rate, so your recording will be crystal clear, and it has a wide frequency response, 30 hertz to 16 kilohertz, and provides superb sound clarity, superb sound reproduction quality for high resolution audio. So how does the audio sound? You guys be the judge. I have listened to this audio, and I have compared it with couple of other USB mics that I have. I have mics from Fifine. I have actually bunch of mics from Fifine, and I have got one other mic, I forget the name of the brand. So I have tested all of them, and this one is actually sounding really good. So I'm impressed with the audio quality. And I'm just talking about vocals, by the way, guys. I don't do any singing, any musical instrument. I don't do any of that. Just for pure vocals for your YouTube videos or for live streaming, I think this is sounding pretty good. Let's see, what else should I read. So it says cardioid pickup pattern, USB plug and play, noise elimination accessories, which is what I just spoke about, the pop filter and all that, and high compatibility. So the cardioid pickup pattern offers pristine and accurate capture. It records sound sources that are directly in front of the microphone, reducing unwanted background noise. So let me actually step away from the mic, and then let's see how good the audio, how much does it pick. Okay, so noise elimination accessories. The microphone comes with a microphone stand, shock mount, table clamp, anti-wind foam. So how was the audio? So I'm about a couple of feet away from the mic right now. Let me come close, and if you speak really close to the mic, you will get that podcast audio quality. So one thing which I have seen in my experience, regardless of whether the mic is $50 or $500, if you are away from the mic, it does not sound good. So if you really want good quality, try to come as close to the mic as you possibly can, and that will give you the best audio quality. So this is the best you will get. I'm really close to the mic. I'm less than 6 inches away from the mic, and this should be picking the best audio quality. So guys, you guys be the judge. I think this is a good product. For $68.99 you are getting the mic, the stand, all the accessories. So this is actually a pretty good deal. So I will give this mic a thumbs up. If you are a budding YouTuber, or if you live stream, this is a great solution. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.